Hi everyone, this is Ms. Grzelski, and we are going to learn a little bit about the languages in India. So, in the past, we learned that the main language in India is Hindi, and there are other languages. So, I wanted to show you some information about all the languages in India. So, I have the C notes here. You're going to fill out the C notes based on what you learn in this screencast. So the essential question is what languages are spoken in India and then who speaks them? Let's take a look at a map. In this map, you can see a lot of different languages in India. I'm going to zoom in so my map's a little bigger. And I want you just to look at what languages you see. When I look at the map, I'm seeing Hindi a lot, and I'm seeing that kind of in the north, in the center. All of these different outlines are different states in India. I remember there were, I think, 26 different states. So lots of them, especially in the north and the central region, speak Hindi as their main language. But then there's also one called Bengali. I want you to look at that over here. Bengali is very close to the country of Bangladesh. And we learned that the tigers live near the Bay of Bengal. And this is where those mangrove forests are. And the language is called Bengali. That's important to know because lots of Indian people here in the United States they speak Bengali because lots of people from this region have come to the United States for employment. The other one is called Tamil, and let me get my screen correct here. Tamil is spoken in the south, so the other language is Tamil. I can see it way down in the south. So in the south, you can see based on this map, there's different language families, and all these green languages are like cousin languages to each other. They're called Dravidian, and so they have a certain like foundation. Those languages are kind of similar. Whereas in the north, they're Indo-Aryan, and actually lots of words from Hindi and these northern um, languages, including Bengali, there's very similar words to English. For example, we're going to learn that how you say name in Hindi is naam. So name and naam, that's pretty similar. There's lots of connections there. Let's look at another map. This is showing where all the different languages are spoken. And so for your notes, let me find your notes. We're on slide 2 now. Slide 1 was what languages do you see? And I gave you a hint with the names. Slide 2 is where are the languages spoken? So we can see that in the north central area of India is mostly Hindi. Then in the east is Bengali. And in the south is Tamil. Now there's a lot of other languages I'm not covering, and that's because there's just so many. Well, actually, our next slide, we're going to learn how many languages are in India. But Hindi, Bengali, and Tamil are some of the more common ones. Here's our next slide about who speaks these languages. So, get to the top here. Okay. Slide 3. How many people speak the Indian languages? So in your notes, we have how many people speak the Indian languages. You're looking to write the percents. So Hindi is by far the most common, and 40% of people speak Hindi. Bengali, only 8% of people in India speak Bengali. For Tamil, 6% of people speak Tamil. English, 10% of people speak English as a second language. So nobody has English as a first language, but 10% of the population can speak it as a second languages. And then check this fact out. This is amazing to me. There's many other languages. There's 22 official languages, but there's over 150 languages in India. So when you meet people in India, they might say, yeah, I can speak Hindi and English, but also I can speak some other languages. And so I've had students from India in the past who is just incredible how many different languages they can speak. I think that's really cool. So going back to our notes, the last part is about a few phrases in Hindi. So we're going to have a little Hindi lesson. We're learning how to say hi in Hindi, and then how do you say my name is? Like my name is Kelly or my name is Kate. So we're going to watch this video together and we will get some directions of how to speak. Some of you might already know this. Okay, let's give it a whirl. Just so you can see it. Here we go. It's only 3 minutes long, not very much. And here we go.
नमस्ते, हिंदी पॉड 101.com में स्वागत है।
नमस्ते, मेरा नाम प्रेरणा है। आपसे मिलकर खुशी हुई। Hi, my name is Prerna. Nice to meet you. Welcome to HindiPod101.com's Hindi in 3 minutes, the fastest, easiest, and most fun way to learn Hindi. In this series, we're going to learn basic Hindi expressions. It's super easy and it only takes 3 minutes. In this lesson, you're going to learn how to introduce yourself in Hindi. There are only 2 sentences you need to know. Namaste, मेरा नाम प्रेरणा है। आपसे मिलकर खुशी हुई। Hi, my name is Prerna. Nice to meet you. Start by saying Namaste. Then say मेरा नाम, then your name, and then say Hai. Please repeat after me. Namaste.
Namaste.
मेरा
Mera
नाम
naam
प्रेरणा
Kelly
है।
Hey.
Finally, say आप
Up
से
se
मिलकर
milkar
खुशी
खुशी
हुई।
hui.
Together we have नमस्ते, मेरा नाम प्रेरणा है, आपसे मिलकर खुशी हुई. Let's take a closer look at the first sentence. The first word is namaste. Namaste in Hindi is equivalent to hello, which can be used at any time of the day. Next is mera. The word mera means my. This is a way to refer to yourself, which can be used by both men and women. Next, we have naam. The word naam means name. Then you say your name. And finally, we have hai. Hai is attached to the end of the sentence and literally means to exist. In the first sentence, we have the construction mera plus naam plus your name plus hai. The structure of simple Hindi sentences is different from English. In Hindi, the word order is subject, object, verb. The second sentence we have is aapse milkar khushi hui. Aapse milkar khushi hui can be used by both men and women. It means nice to meet you. It's used when meeting someone for the first time. Aap se milkar khushi hui. Aap se milkar khushi hui. Now it's time for Prerna's points. Indian people don't generally shake hands. You're better off using the namaste gesture. However, in a business situation, you might want to use a handshake. Shaking hands is more common in big cities where Western customs are more familiar. Do you know how we say thank you in Hindi? You will learn how to say this and many other words in the next lesson. Fir milenge. See you then.
Wow, that was interesting. So namaste, mera naam Kelly hai. Did I do it right? Ah, it's hard. And then aapse milkar something. I think I need to go back and practice. Okay, thank you. Have a great day. And what you're turning in today is those C notes. And lucky for you, it's just one page. Have a good day.